Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve some problems related to compound interest by using formulas. We had already learned those formulas in our previous video. So let us see this problem. Raj deposited rupees 8,000 in a bank for 3 years, compounded annually at 10% per annum. Find the amount and compound interest or CI. Fine. So what they had given. First of all, we must understand that particular concept. Raj deposited amount of rupees 8,000 in a bank. That means principal is equal to 8,000. So let me write it down. What is given in this particular question? So P is equal to 8,000 rupees for 3 years. So obviously this is the time. So T equals 3 years. And next, what they had given compounded annually at 10% per annum. So rate is equal to 10% per annum. Now they are asking for the amount. So already we had done the formula for the amount. If the rate is compounded annually. So I had written, we know that amount is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power t, isn't it? That is the formula. Already we had done that in our previous video. Now substitute the value of p over here. So that must be 8,000 multiplied by 1 plus r. What is the value of r? That is 10%. So let me write it down, 10 by 100 whole to the power t. So t means that is 3 years. So this is 3. Now let us calculate it. So 8,000 multiplied by, so this is fractional addition. So 100 plus 10 and then whole to the power 3. I'm not explaining fractional addition. Already you were familiar with this. So 8,000 multiplied by 110 by 100 whole to the power 3. Now we have to open this bracket. So 110 divided by 100. 3 times it has to be multiplied because power is 3. So 110 divided by 100. So these 2 zeros will be eliminated with these 2 zeros, and this 0 will be eliminated with this, and this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled, and this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. Another 0 is there, so cancel this 0 also. So what is remaining? That is 8 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. Isn't it? Next you have to multiply it. Simple. So after multiplying all these values, we will get 10648. So already we have got our answer, that is the amount. Now let us calculate CI over here. So again we have to write, we know that CI is equal to amount minus principal, isn't it? So what is our amount? That is 10,648 minus principal, that means 8,000. So 2648 will be our CI. Let us implement our second formula in the next problem. See this problem. This problem is lengthy, but it is very easy. Took a loan of 50,000 rupees to purchase a refrigerator from a finance company. Very good. So this 50,000 must be P or the principal, isn't it? Now she promised to make the payment after 2 years. So within 2 years, she has to pay the amount. If the company charges compound interest at 8% for the first year, okay, so they are charging 8% interest rate for the first year and 9% for the second year. Means two different interest rates are there for 2 different years. What total amount will she have to pay? So that is P is equal to 50,000, isn't it? Rate 1 they had given 8%. Rate 2 they had given 9%. So I had written, we know that amount is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus rate 1 by 100 multiplied by 1 plus rate 2 by 100, isn't it? Already we had learned this formula. So 50,000, 1 plus 8 by 100 and 1 plus 9 by 100. This must be 50,000. So 1 plus 8 by 100, that means 108 by 100 I am directly doing this. Then 109 by 100. So this 20 and this 20 will be eliminated, and this 20 and this 20 will be eliminated. So we have to multiply 5 by 108 and 109, and after multiplying we will get the result 58,860. Next you have to write down the answer. Total amount she will pay 58,860 rupees. This is very simple if you remember this particular formula. Find the compound interest on this at 8% per annum for 2 whole 3 by 4 years. In this question, the time is in fraction. So we have to follow separate formula for this, and the interest is calculated annually. So P is equal to 31250, rate is equal to 8%, and time is equal to 2 whole 3 by 4 years. So let us split the whole number and the fractional part also. Amount is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100, and then this whole number will become the power of this, so 2. Then again multiply 1 plus, then this fraction, that means 3 by 4 multiplied by R divided by 100. The same formula we had already done in our previous video. You have to memorize this formula, otherwise you won't be able to solve this problem. So principal is 31250. Let me write it down. Multiplied by 1 plus, what is the value of R? That is 8 by 100 whole to the power 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 by 4 multiplied by R means that is 8 multiplied by 1 by 100 divided by 100. So I can write it down multiplied by 1 by 100. Divide this number by 4 and this one by 4. So 4 2s are 8. Now 2 1s are and 2 50s are 31250 multiplied by, if we add this, then this will become 108 by 100. I'm just eliminating this bracket, that is why 108 by 100, because the power is 2 multiplied by, if we add this, then this will become 53 by 50. Now this 0 and 0 will be cancelled, so 5 1s are, and by using 5 I am dividing it, so 5 6 are 30, 1 2, 5 2s are 10, 2 5, 5 5s are 25. Now simply I am dividing 100 by 25, so 25 4s are 100 and 25 25s are 6 to 5. Next again 25 1s are and 25 4s are 100. Now divided by 4, so 4 1s are, 4 2s are 8, 2 8, 4 7s are 28. Same concept will be applied over, so 27. Now write it down perfectly. 27 multiplied by 27 multiplied by 53. So what will be the value? If you multiply this, you will get 38,637. But they are asking about the compound interest, so we must write, we know that CI is equal to amount minus principal. So what is our amount? That is 38,637 minus our principal was 31,250. If you subtract this, then you will get 7,387 rupees as the compound interest. So already we have got our answer. See the next problem. Find the amount on rupees. This is the principal for 2 years. So this is the time at 10%. So this is the rate per annum when compounded half yearly. Semi-annually and half yearly means both are same. So that's why I have given this odd sign. So let me write it down. So principal is equal to 16 4 zeros. T is equal to 2 years. Rate is equal to 10%. Now if the interest is compounded half yearly, then we have to use a separate formula. So let me write it down. We know that amount is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 200, because this is half yearly. Okay, yearly 2 times the interest will be calculated. So here also I have to write 2T. So that is 16 4 zeros multiplied by 1 plus, what is the value of R? That is 10 by 200. 2. Then what is the value of the T? T is 2 years. So 2 multiplied by 2. Now calculate it 16 four zeros. Eliminate this 0 and this 0. So this will become 1 by 20. If I add this 2, then it will become 21 by 20. Whole to the power 2 2s are 4. So let me write it down 4. Multiplied by 4 times I have to multiply that. So 21 by 20, 21 by 21 by 20. Now eliminate this 0 with this with this with this, and this with this. Now divide it by 2, 2 ones are, 2 eights are, now 2 fours are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, so 2 ones are, 2 ones are. If you multiply 21 4 times, then you will get this answer 194481. Now see our last problem. Find the compound interest on 125,000. So this is the principal. So let me write it down. Principal equal to 125,000 for 9 months. So time is equal to 9 months. 8% per annum. So rate is equal to 8%. Compounded annually, but it is mistakenly written. It must be quarterly. Before applying formula, we will convert this month into year because time must be in year. So 9 month has to be converted into years. So we have to divide it by 12 years. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So 3 by 4 year. Now let us apply that formula which is used for quarterly compounded interest. So P multiplied by 1 plus R by 400, because 4 times the interest will be calculated, so 4 multiplied by T. Now substitute the value of P, that is 125,000 multiplied by 1 plus R, the value of R is 8 by 400. 4 multiplied by time is 3 by 4 years, so 3 by 4. Now this 4 will be cancelled. 5,000 multiplied by, I am dividing it by 4, so 4 100 and 4 2s are 8. Now 2 1s are and 50s are. I am adding this, so this must be 51 by 50 whole to the power 3. Let us put it 125,000 multiplied by 51 by 50 3 times. Eliminate right side zeros 1 by 1. Next divide it, 5 1s are, 5 25s are, 5 1s are, 5 5s are, and this 5 and this 5 will be cancelled. Now we have to multiply 51 3 times. We will get 1,32,651. Now in this question they are asking about the CI, so let us write it down. We know that CI is equal to A minus P. So what is the amount? That is 1,32,651 minus principal, that is 125,000. So it is 7651. So we have got our answer. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care.